Alright folks, this is why you've got to be very picky with your contractors. This guy took over the job. He told me I didn't know what I was doing. He threw a fit, said he didn't want his name on it unless he got to do it. So he took over the job. What we're doing a 12 volt lighting system for 4 LED lights, running them off this power supply. Well, I opened the box and I don't have the right number of wires here. So I'll go looking to see what he's done. Now, all of this was supposed to have been done to be waterproof. I've got holes in the back of the electrical panel, so clearly that's not waterproof. Look around the back side of the box, and this is his idea of doing it better than me. I mean, it's not even attempted to put in. This conduit here, as you can see, nicely tucked in, out of the way, that's my work. So we go up here. This is just haphazardly thrown up here. Awkward cuts. We'll go on up to the top of the pole. And yes, I'm going to shut this off in just a minute. We can see the lights up here. He did mount the lights how I suggested. But look at this, he's pulled the plugs out of the lights, so the lights are literally filling up with water up here. I wanted the lights on top of these brackets. He's flipped them over and then pulled these plugs out, so whatever. But this is his idea of an electrical connection. I just pulled the tape off to see how he had done this, and this is what I found. This wire, while not hot, this wire is warm to the touch. The wire that I purchased for the customer to put this in is gone. So we're going to have to redo this. Then we've got this, let me get back down off this ladder a little bit here. We've got this infrared light that the customer requested. And let's just see here. Let's just see what we've got. See if I can stabilize that. We've got, this is the guy that we had to pull some wire through a conduit, and he told me I didn't use enough tape on it. He said that that I needed to use half a roll of tape just to attach it to a pull string. So clearly, as you can see here, here's this half a roll of tape blobbed on here. Yep, more of the same. Twist and go. Well, all I got to say is I hope the gentleman that did this shoddy work sees this, and I hope he knows that I'm letting the world know that you did crappy work. And none of this was done how I asked for it to be done. If it was going to be done like this, we could have gone a totally different direction with how it's set up. This is crap. All right, folks, here we are. A little more. This is the idea of a conduit hanger. I mean, it's okay if you're a little bit crooked, because sometimes you can't get straight, but yeah, that's not acceptable. And then whatever this mess is here, this is pretty ridiculous. So I guess I'm gonna pull all this out and start over.